abandoned cement, concrete block crushing and a screening station. The production line consists of 3 mobile crushers. They are the Track Mobile Jaw Crushing Plant, Track Mobile Impact Crushing Plant, Track Mobile Screening Station. Crushed materials include cement, concrete, limestone, and pebbles, which have a wide range of applications. It is free of installation and can be quickly put into production. Features such as mobility and convenient transition. We can produce finished products in different sizes such as
0 to 5 millimeters, 5 to 15 millimeters, 10 to 20 millimeters, 20 to 30 millimeters, etc.
Steadily and has high production efficiency. We can also customize equipment with different output and discharge according to user needs, and welcome your inquiries and visits at any time.